Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am your Grace Calacala, 30 years old, married with two kids, ages 1 year old and 8 years old. I am a Roman Catholic and I have graduated high school. I have two siblings and I am the second in the family. I have work experience as a house helper or a nanny here in the Philippines way back in the year 2013 to 2015. I serve four persons in the family. One adult, ages 40 years old, and three children, ages 4 years old, 5 years old, and 6 years old. My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, marketing, send the kids to school, prepare their foods, tutor, and playing with them. Another work experience was in the year 2021 to 2023. I served three persons in the family, two adults and one toddler ages 3 years old. My main duties are taking care of the kid, playing with him, cleaning the house, cooking, laundrying, and going to the market. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, kind, loyal, and responsible person. To my future employer, please do hire me as your helper because it helps me to provide my family needs. I promise that I will be a good helper to you and I will finish my contract. Thank you.